I also, you might notice that I have a little thing on my face. It's just concealer to hide this new pimple. I call her Sally. She wanted to move in today. We're not really friends or anything. Contrary to popular belief, I do have, you know, a face. It's cool, you know, I've had it for like 17 years now. It's alright, you know, it's whatever. This took me 2 days, 2 whole entire days. Okay, so I finally found it. The bag of the hair that I use. So I use the Sassy collection, 100% Cancaline. It looks like this. No, okay, so it's I bought about 8 packs of this and I only used 6. So like as you can see, my hair's pretty flat. Yeah, so I used that, and then for my hair I did the rubber band method, which if those of you don't know, I'll insert a clip right now that I like filmed when I was, you know, in the midst of my 13-hour hairstyle. So I basically just parted everything, and then I think you can still see like the rubber bands. You actually aren't in focus, so please focus on my head. Right there, you can see like right there the rubber bands that I used. So I just kind of like used that as a place to start, because the part that I was worried about the most is how I start the braid. So I was like, oh, how am I gonna like do the, you know, the knot that you put at the top or whatever. I don't even think I did it right. I just did it the way I remember, like I did it on my Barbies when I was a kid. Okay, so we split them in half, and then I just kind of like knotted them like this. Is this a good explanation? No, it literally is not a good explanation. It's not, I'm sorry. And then, so it looks like they're kind of intertwined. It's not focusing on, okay, whatever. So it's intertwined like this, and then I hold it by this so it's like not unraveling. And then that's how I went to, like, when my hair was in the rubber bands, I just pick a section of the rubber bands and I would braid it so that the rubber band part was the middle strand. So like if I have to hear myself say like one more time, I swear. This was a piece of like the rubber, if this was a section that I've already rubber banded, pretend this is just like my hair. And so I just got this and I put it in the middle, and then I would just start braiding that way. Yeah, I'm not gonna braid it, but you know what I mean. But yeah, so I did that for 13 hours straight. Well, not straight, I actually took breaks in between, because you know that's the great thing about doing your own hair, is you cannot have to sit there for 13 hours. Obviously it's not perfect. There's a lot of like wobbly looking strands. There's like a whole part in the back that's like humongous. I think this braid is like bigger than any of the other braids, and you can see my hair visibly. But you know, all in all, I really liked it. It was a fun experience. But oh, another thing I did was I put the rubber bands at the bottom as I was braiding. So I didn't take them out because I don't trust my braiding skills. But like, sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder. But what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so when I dip it in hot water, it kind of gave it like a little, I don't want to say curly thing at the bottom just because it was rubber banded, but I'm fine with it. If you're not, I'm not really sure how else you would seal your ends or whatever. I mean, I guess you could burn them, but I don't trust myself with fire, so. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not really an like in-depth explanation. I'm really sorry. I also, like, next time I do it, I kind of want to try a different color, maybe something like wild, like hot pink or something. I don't know. I've always wanted to have different color braids, and I have in the past, but they weren't like outrageous. I think I had like dark purple, and it was like, who are you really fooling, you know? Like, we can tell. It's not that great. So thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe. That's it. That's everything.